Morning to you students. Today we will extend the exercise 9.2 and we had done till question number 10. So we will look for question number 11. Can you see question number 11 is looking good? It is sum of first PQ and R term of AP are small a, small b and small c respectively. Prove that whole is equal to 0. So okay, one thing I just want to tell you, when the symbol small a and small d is already appearing in the question, take your first term in bit change, take a with a change style, like small a will be taken, normally we used to take as a first term, this time you will take a capital A. Look at, let first term is capital A and the difference is, it's a D because a D is not using anywhere in the question. Now question says sum of first P term, Q term and R term are ABC. So I'll use it. Sum of first P term given. Sum of first P term, P by 2 we know. Sum of first P term, it is at 2A plus P minus 1 into D, which is given A. You know, sum of first P term is given A. So okay. Similarly, sum of Q term, Q by 2, 2A plus Q minus 1 into D, which is given B. 2A plus Q minus 1 into D. And SR, R by 2, 2A plus R minus 1 into D, 2A must be written. And this is C, you know, sum of R terms is equal to C. So these three equations we have got. This and this. Now what we'll do? Prove that. Okay. So I'll take a left hand side. Now A by P, Q minus R plus B by Q, R minus P, C by R and P minus Q. I need a 0. So okay, we have taken the left hand side and whatever we have got, small a, small b and small c, these value I'll put there. So by 1, 2 and 3. Look at, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. I'll put all the values in this equation. Instead of A, I'll put this P by 2, 2A plus P minus 1 into D upon P, because this is only A. So upon P, I'll write here, and into Q minus R, I will write here. Same. What is a B? What is the value of B? This is a Q by 2. Can you see? Q by 2, 2A plus Q minus 1 into D upon Q. So I write here it is, and into R minus P I write here. And the next is, what is C? R by 2, 2A, I made a mistake somewhere. It was capital A, I think. Yes, it was capital A. 2A plus R minus 1 into D upon small r, okay, I write here, and into P minus Q. So this is a long one, but still, okay, we will definitely face it. So ultimately I would speak one thing, P and P cancel, Q and Q cancel, and R and R cancel. Hope you got it here. Now what I'll do? I'll have 1 by 2, 2A plus P minus 1 into D into Q minus R. I'll have 1 by 2, 2A plus Q minus 1 D into R minus P. I'll have 1 by 2, 2A plus R minus 1 into D into P minus Q. Okay, so this term we have got. Afterward, we will simply try to solve it. We can do it. Two things I'll do together. I'll multiply to half as well as I multiply to Q minus R. I'll multiply to half as well as I will multiply to Q minus R. What? Look at, half into 2A, 2 into cancel, A with Q minus R will be like that. Half into this, P minus 1 into D into Q minus R. Same I'll do here. Half into this, 2 into cancel, and Q minus A into R minus P. And half into Q minus 1 into D into R minus P. Lastly, This half into this is a into P minus Q, and half into R minus 1 into D into P minus Q. Now next, so let me rub this because I already taught you this one. No matter that if you rub this section, okay. What I'll do, I'm going to do very simple thing. Can you catch this and this term? All having a A, so I want to take A common. Can you see? A common. What remaining? Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q plus half ND. I'll take out common half ND. So what will have? P minus 1 Q minus R, P minus 1 Q minus R plus half and D have common Q minus 1 and R minus P and R minus 1 and P minus Q remaining. And the further term is gonna easy. P and P cancel, R and R cancel, P and Q cancel, A into 0 is 0. And this is half into D, students. It's a half into D. These two will multiply. PQ minus PR minus Q plus R. These two will multiply. QR minus QP minus R plus P. These two will be multiplied. RP RQ minus P plus Q. And I don't want to waste the time, student, that half into D was there and whole will cancel from each other. You can find the term which is cancelling and will have a 0. So after cancellation to all the term, you can find by yourself the whole answer will be 0. So this is the right hand side which was asked in the question. So hope you got, student. Let me take a question, the other question of the book. Question number, I'll go with 12th one. Question says, the ratio of sum of m and n term of AP is m square is to n square. Show that the ratio of mth and n term is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus. It's a very good question. First of all, let first term is A and difference is small d I'll take. Now given. Can you catch the given? That the ratio of sums of m and n terms of AP. Single AP is there. And the ratio of sum of m term and sum of n term is given m square upon n square. So first of all, I don't want to read the question completely, but I want to find the conclusion from the given. In a earlier of the question, you remember that we had given SP equal to SQ, I think, and I found the big conclusion and important conclusion. Same as this is my given, and I will first find the conclusion. So I will start. Sum of m term is m by 2. 2a plus m minus 1 into d sum. This is Sn meaning n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m square upon n square. So these two and to cancel and 1 power of m and 1 power of n will reduce. So the remaining is 2a m minus 1 into d. 2a n minus 1 into d is equal to m by n. Now I'll multiply n and m cross multiply and want to look at what we are having. 2an. What we want to find out the answer. Okay, no matter at all. We'll start. 2an plus n into m minus 1 into d. Look at, and 2am plus m into n minus 1 into d. This was. So next I'll transfer to here. 2an, same is coming, I think we already had done this kind of question. M n minus 1 into d minus n m minus 1 into d. Take out 2a common. N minus m is having d common. Multiply to m. mn minus m. Multiply to n. nm plus n. You know it's minus sign, so it is plus. And d is a common. So m and m cancel. 2a n minus m. It is d n minus m. And what a beautiful term is coming. Both will cancel. We are having 2a equal to d. This is none else, but it is very important conclusion we have received, we have got from the given. So now I want to read the further question. What question says?
Question says, show that the ratio of mth and n term is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Meaning we want to here show the ratio of mth and n term. Meaning I'll go Tm upon Tn. You know, mth term and n term. We want to find the ratio. Okay, what is the meaning of Tm? A plus m minus 1 into d and a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, we have got. Now further what we'll do? What the d is equal to 2a we have got now. So we will put a value by 1. We got a conclusion from the given that d is equal to 2a. So 2a will write here a plus n minus 1 into 2a. Take out a common. 1 plus multiply to 2 in the bracket. 2a minus 2. Take a common and multiply to 2. 2n minus 2 is being here. A and a cancel. So what answer? 2m minus 1 and 2n minus 1 is we are having at the end. This is hence proved because it was told to prove that the ratio of m term and n term is equal to this one we have got. So that's the end of the question. Hope you have got. This was an important question for exam 12th one. Now look at the important, again more questions. We will try to search. Question number, I have 15th one. If an, bn, an minus 1, bn minus 1 is arithmetic mean of a and b, find the value of n. This is a question. This is the question. I tell you, it is one of the very good question for exam. I want to tell you something about it. Is given. What is given specially? This is the arithmetic mean of a and b. This is actually given. But what we know, given that arithmetic mean of a and b is a to the power n, b to the power n upon a n minus 1, b n minus 1. But we know that arithmetic mean of a and b is a plus b by 2. You remember the formula I taught you concept? Arithmetic mean meaning single term between two terms. So it's formula a plus b by 2. So arithmetic mean of a and b, as we know this one, but according to question it is this one. So these two terms will be equal and we will find n. So definitely a to the power n, b to the power n upon a to the power n minus 1, b to the power n minus 1 equal to a plus b by 2. This is now we have got the equation. We will solve. Multiply to 2 in the as a cross multiplication. 2an, 2bn, and a plus b will multiply in an minus 1, bn minus 1. Now try to understand. 2an plus 2bn equal to multiply to a in whole of the term. A into a to the power n minus 1 meaning a to the power n. You know, power will add. A into b to the power n minus 1 will be same. B into a to the power n minus 1 again same. And b into b to the power n minus 1 will be b to the power n. Now 2an and an, when I transfer, one part will definitely subtract. So 2an, 2a to the power n and a to the power n, when I transfer it's gonna be a to the power n. 2b to the power n and b to the power n will subtract b to the power n, and it is abn minus 1 and ban minus 1. Now what I'll do? I'll do a to the power n and nearest it is a to the power n minus 1. So I'll transfer to the term ban minus 1 and abn minus 1 I'll transfer b to the power n. Catch? Now I'll just see it carefully. It is a to the power n and it is a to the power n minus 1. So you know it a to the power n. Can I take out a to the power n minus 1 from it? It is very easy. When n minus 1 will be taken out, one power will be there. A to the power 1 meaning a. Can you see that and it is only b. So you have taken out a to the power n minus 1. If you not understood, okay, let me write one term. A to the power n can be written a to the power n minus 1 into a, because when you will add the power you will have a to the power n, and minus b a to the power n is common. Copy. This is also copy
and student b to the power n will be b to the power n minus 1 into b, because when you will add the power, you will get a b to the power n. Now take out common, a to the power n minus 1 common, a minus b is here, b to the power n minus 1 common, a minus b is here. So these two terms cancel. A to the power n minus 1 equal to b to the power n minus 1 we are having. And now a to the power n minus 1, I do transfer b to the power n minus 1 equal to what coming 1. Now I'll make a upon the whole power n minus 1 and it is 1. Can you see this part? It's the important part. A upon b to the power n minus 1, this is 1, and intentionally I will write instead of 1 as a by b to the power 0, because you know that power, the power 0 of any number is giving us 1, and I took specially and intentionally a by b because here it is a by b. Now can you compare the power? So on comparing the power, it is the base are same, so power will be same, n minus 1 will be 0, so n will be 1. That was told to find the value of n and we have got it. So student, this was the question. This was a question, very important question it was. We have completed. Last question is also remaining, 16 from my side. Only the question I will tell you and exercise will be finished. Okay. You remember the arithmetic mean term? I know that arithmetic mean terms, between two terms we can find n arithmetic mean terms by d. B minus a upon n plus 1 is the formula of d. Then you can find the first mean term as a plus d, second mean term is a plus 2d, third mean term is a plus 3d, and I taught you that whatever you are finding the mean term, coefficient of d will be same. Third mean term 3d, to second mean term 2d, and so on. So this idea, I think I gave you all about this. Please follow and visit the previous videos. You will definitely get all the things. So last question from my side of the exercise, question number 16 I am telling you. Between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted such a way that sequence is in AP. You know the language says that 1 and 31 we have a two term, and between them, so m numbers inserted, and I tell you that m numbers meaning m arithmetic mean terms, because all are in AP. This is nothing but it is all AP. 1 and 31 is the first term and last term. Between them we have a m terms which is called m arithmetic mean terms. So I taught you in concept n mean terms, this time it is m mean terms. Okay, and question says the ratio of 7 between 1 and 31 m numbers have been inserted such a way that the resulting sequence is in AP, and the ratio of 7th and m minus 1 number is 5:9. Find the value of m. And what we given? I tell you one thing, that given is 7th mean term and given 7th mean term and m minus 1 mean term have a ratio 5:9. We will find the m. Can you catch this language? A7. What is the meaning of A7? 7th mean term. According to question, it is number. It is number. What says? 7th and m minus 1th number. Because m numbers are there between 1 and 31. So this number is actually mean terms. M mean terms lying between 1 and 31. And this is A7 meaning 7th number, 7th mean term, m minus 1th number meaning m minus 1th mean term. So we'll write a m minus 1 and A7. This is 7th mean term, this is m minus 1th mean term, and ratio between these two is 5:9. We will find the value of m. So okay, how to go through this? Look at, I tell you. A is equal to 1, first term. Last term is 31. Number of mean terms is m. First of all, we find d. D is equal to b minus a upon m plus 1. This time it is m plus 1. Try to understand that only when we studied it was n plus 1 because number of mean terms were n was taken that time in the formula. But this time number of mean terms are m, so that we will take m plus 1. Okay. So d is equal to this one. Put up here 31 minus 1 upon m plus 1, meaning 30 upon m plus 1. This is my d. We have got d. Now we can find a7 and m minus 1. Why? Because you know that a7. What is meaning of a7? Seventh mean term. What is the formula of seventh mean term? A plus 7D. Now don't get confused that in seventh term it comes 6, but seventh mean term is same. Okay, so A is 1 and 7. Your D is this one 30 upon M plus 1. Take an LCM. M plus 1, 7, 2 and 10 upon M plus 1. So M plus 211 upon M plus 1 is a A7. And A what we are told M minus 1. Okay, M minus 1, this mean term whose formula is same, M minus 1 into D. Put up A is 1, M minus 1, D is a 30 upon M plus 1. Take an LCM. M plus 1, 30 M minus 30 upon M plus 1. So 31 M minus 29 upon M plus 1. 31 minus 29 upon M plus 1. This is we got. This is what? A M minus 1. Now what we'll do? We want to find M. We are given what? That A7 upon A M minus 1 is equal to 5:9. You know, the seventh mean term and M minus 1 mean term have a ratio 5:9. We already have got 7 mean term and M minus 1 mean term, and we will put the value here. So it is M plus 211 upon M plus 1, seventh mean term, and whole upon 31 M minus 29 upon M plus 1, 5:9. So these two will cancel. Now I'll multiply 9 here. 9M plus 9 ones are this, and 5 I multiply here. So it is it is M. 5 into this M minus 145. So I'll transfer now. 1899 plus 145 equal to 155M minus 9M. This gonna be this one. And these two will be 146 M. So M will be 204 like that upon 146. You can cancel by 14. So M will be 14. It's a prediction. Maybe somewhere the that quick work I have done. So some mistake may be there, but I don't think it's a correct answer. I'm not checking the answer, but it is correct. I think you can check by yourself. The method I have told you. Seventh mean term first find, M minus 1 mean term. The important thing is the formula. This is 7 for 7 mean term, it is 7D. M minus 1 mean term, it is a M minus 1D. When you will get both of the value, put in the given and get your answer. So this is the exercise 9.2 from my side, and do practice from your side now. Thank you.